Hi, welcome to our virtual tour of Identity Boise, the apartment complex located just feet from Boise State University. We are going to start our tour on the outside of our building at our butterfly system. This system is a great feature for our residents as it allows them to let their guests in after hours without having to leave the comforts of their own unit. Your guests will simply find your name on it directly and click call. Our front office is where you'll pick up packages, meet with any of our great community assistants, and check in for anything and everything you need from us. We also have a snack bar that is fully stocked during weekdays to keep you fueled for all your long classes. Located on the other side of our office is our mailboxes and coffee bar. It's a great spot to stop before classes to grab some caffeine. Just a couple steps past the coffee bar is our bike parking room. There is space for about 93 bikes in here, and it is first come, first served. There's also 2 cameras located in this room, and it is very secure and safe for all of our residents. Just down the hall from our bike room is our beautiful study room. We know how important education is to our residents and created a productive space just for them. We have 2 huge group study tables, great for projects and study groups, as well as 2 Macs, 2 PCs, and for printing for all of our residents to use. This space is available to be utilized 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, so you can come study whenever you want to. Located at the back of our study room is 2 private rooms available for our residents to use as well. Our lounge is a great spot to come hang out with your friends, read a book, catch a game, play some video games, or even work on your ping pong skills. At the very end of our lounge is the entrance into our gym. We have all the equipment that you need for a full body workout, including cardio machines, weightlifting machines, and freehand weights. The space is also available 24 hours a day and 7 days a week, so you can work out anytime that fits into your schedule. Now we'll head on up to the second floor to check out our model unit. Our model unit is a 2x2 large and gives a great idea of what to expect in any of our other floor plans. Every single unit comes fully furnished with a couch, coffee table, TV stand, and a 50-inch TV in the living room, as well as stainless steel appliances in the kitchen and quartz countertops for a beautiful modern look. Your kitchen also comes with bar stools, so you can sit and eat with your roommates as well. There's plenty of space in the kitchen for multiple people if you want to cook or bake with your friends. Every bedroom comes with a bed frame, mattress, 4 drawers, a desk and a desk chair, and a closet with mirrors on it. Our 2x2 larges also have private attached bathrooms to each bedroom, so you don't have to worry about sharing a bathroom with anyone but yourself. All of the bathrooms in every unit look extremely similar to our model unit's bathroom. They all have the same hardwood style floors, quartz countertops, and beautiful glass shower doors in every bathroom. We hope you have enjoyed this virtual tour, and if you have any questions, please contact our leasing office at 208-416-2800. One of our community assistants or managers will be happy to answer any and all of the questions you may have. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you have a great rest of your day.